Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and it's time for your love bite. Cancer, these are general collective readings, will not resonate with all of you out there, so take what works for you and just leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for my Cancer gang and send them the messages they need to hear the most about their love life now. Thank you. So Cancer, let's take an angel blessing card. Let's see how my angels are going to top this reading with a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message. And then we'll start the reading. So my angels, guidance, blessing, advice, or a message for Cancer, please. This one. All right, thank you. I've got my card, Cancer. Let's put the rest back. And the card I have here for you, Cancer, is commitment. All right. That's a nice card to get for a love read. So the issue is commitment, or is somebody committing to you, Cancer? Let's put this card here and see what this is all about. So welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. Thank you for all the love and support that you've given to the channel with all your beautiful comments, your likes, shares. I'm very grateful. Thank you so much. And yes, Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you to our Omkara family. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. So newbies, this is just a small little 9-card spread to check your energies. Your longer readings have been put up already. I'll leave a few links at the end of the video in case you want to check them. And more are coming. So your next in-depth read will be on Wednesday. And if any of you are looking for a private reading, Cancer, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. And see what I have bottom of my deck for you, Cancer, your card. Queen of Cups. Beautiful. Let's see. 7 of Wands, 10 of Cups, King of Swords, Hanged Man, Justice, 3 of Swords, Page of Wands, 8 of Wands, and the Chariot. Beautiful. From what I see here, my first instinct, of course we'll clarify these cards later, Cancer, from what I see, somebody was emotionally unhappy and stopped fighting for this connection. Most probably, I think, this Queen of Cups, who I think was very intuitive, gave a lot of love, but their partner was a little cold and unemotional. Now, since I think one person has stopped fighting for the connection, the other person has been enlightened to the connection and saying, oh my God, I'm feeling heartbroken. I've broken my partner's heart and I need to make it right now. So somebody wants to now come forward with some message, some communication, and believe it or not, they want to charge ahead now. Of course, we'll clarify these cards and see what else is happening. But before that, Cancer, I'd like to take some dialogue message cards to see what's really going on in this connection. So Cancer and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other. Lots of communication is coming your way though. But Cancer, this could be you or this could be the cross watcher, right? So you would know which side you're on. Let's take some from this deck as well. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person spirit. Thank you. And let's take some messages from the heart as well. All right, that's enough. And let's begin our reading, Cancer. First card I have here says, you're holding us back because of your own self-worth issues and inability to forgive yourself. I've forgiven you. Would you just forgive yourself already? And let's live our life together, free from the past. No one is perfect. So like I said, somebody here was a bit unemotional, maybe not sharing. So that emotional unhappiness in a connection because of one person's inability to Maybe they had self-worth issues, I don't know, and covered it up with their unemotional behavior, cold behavior. I wish we could just be direct and transparent with each other. Again, a reference to emotionally not being open. I've never loved anyone the way I love you. I didn't expect to feel so much, but your stone cold silence. Isn't that just what I said? Stone cold silence. Your stone cold silence broke me. The pain is like grief. It feels like my lover died and I died along with them. Lots of heartbreak experienced because of somebody's inability for emotional openness and happiness. I realize I can't run from you because you're deep within me. We are one and eternally connected. When I run, I'm actually running from myself. When you've shown me in the mirror the reflection of what I don't like about myself and what I must heal. I think somebody is waking up to this fact now. I think they've been enlightened here. They've been thinking about it and they realize, yes, justice must be done. Okay. I'm so deeply ashamed of my actions. I can't face you right now because of the hurt I've caused you. Can you ever forgive me? You're never alone because I'm your shadow. When you cry, I embrace you in spirit. When you're sad, I will help remind you to smile. I'm always there with you even when you don't see me. I think this is this Queen of Cups and her, unconditional love. No matter how complicated this gets, I won't ever give up on you or us. I'm healing my heart from past hurt. Give me some time. So maybe somebody has been hurt in the past and they now find it difficult to express their emotions. That's why the stone cold silence is there. But you're all I desire. Let's get away together and disconnect from the world. I want to restore your faith in me. Yes, I do see after some heartbreak, there's some beautiful energy which is upcoming. Let's clarify these cards and find out what's going to happen. 7 of Wands Spirit in reverse. 7 of Wands in reverse. Somebody was behaving quite immaturely here, Cancer. And I think this backfired on them because I think their partner stopped fighting for this connection. 10 of Cups in reverse. 10 of Cups in reverse. Yes, maybe trying to behave or pretend to be, not interested or behaving like a player or not committing or just kind of being there sometime, not being there sometime, being not stepping up to the plate as maybe the Queen of Cups would have liked her partner to be. And that's the reason I think somebody put a death to this relationship and said, all right, no more. If you can't change, then I'll have to let you go. Why? Who's this King of Swords Spirit in reverse? Yes, this King of Swords, I think, had communication issues. Whenever they spoke, I think, whenever they did speak or when they did say something, it came across rather cold, very cutting, very mean, rude, and somebody just got fed up and said, all right, if this is the way you're going to talk to me, always going to be harsh and rude and mean, then I'm not going to stick around in this connection. I think I will put an end to it. Hanged Man. Hanged Man. Yes, now this has hit this King of Swords like a tower moment. Oh my God, what happened? I was actually in heart of hearts, I was happy, and now none of my wishes are coming true because there's, my Queen of Cups maybe has moved away from me or given up on me and left me here hanging by a tree now. Now, this is the enlightenment, this is the understanding they're getting that their person was their wish come true, wish fulfillment, and without them, the life was kind of blown apart here. So, what's this Justice card, Spirit? Justice card. Justice card. Too many cards. But anyways, let's take them. Justice. Okay, so now somebody is not happy at all. They are now realizing that they never gave to the connection. I think both of you are very unhappy right now. Whoever this King of Wands was, King of Swords, who was non-communicative or whatever, they are now burdened by the weight of what they've done. They realize that, I never had an equal partnership. I never did an equal give and take in this connection. And it's time I should, because my person is out there now, single and happy and glowing and looking beautiful, and maybe can be snatched away at any time. And if I don't bring back balance to this relationship, then I may lose my person altogether. Somebody is going through a lot of heartbreak or thinking about a heartbreak that they've caused. Three of Swords, Spirit. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Three of Swords. Yes, now they know that they've messed this relationship up. This was a beautiful connection, a soulmate kind of connection where you guys were happy together, at least, even though I think the King of Swords always pretended otherwise, they were happy, and the Queen of Cups, of course, loved unconditionally. But now whatever has been done, what happened was, I think the King of Swords was always being defensive and never letting their person get too close to them and pretending that they didn't care, and that eventually led to breaking their heart here. Now they want to heal the connection. Now they want to bring it back together. They want to do something which can kind of heal this broken heart that they've caused. Now their heart is broken as well, but they know they have to bring some justice, do something correct to bring this back together. So, Page of Wands, Spirit. Page of Wands. Yes, now they want to communicate because now one person is really, really stressed out. They have understood that, they've understood all their faults. They've understood that they were not giving in the connection. So now this person can't sleep at night. Now they want to message, they want communication. And what do they want to say with this communication, Spirit? What do they want to say with this communication? What do they want to say with this communication? Or this could be even the feminine who's sent in a message or has communicated something to them. They are a little afraid of this Queen of Cups now because they see her as the Queen of Swords now. They feel all my secrets are out and I didn't listen to my intuition on time. Now what they really want to say is, hey, I want this Ten of Cups with you. What I think this Queen of Cups wanted throughout is now being wanting to be reciprocated. Eight of Wands, Spirit. Eight of Wands. Yes, they don't want to hold back anymore. They don't want to hold back anymore because they know if they don't open up, they will be released from this connection. Yes, this person is finally finding their emotions. They're finally finding their soft side, and they are wanting to now open up and offer this Ten of Cups. They want this communication and they want to message quickly. So Chariot, Spirit. Chariot. Chariot. Yes, they're coming in fast and furious because they don't like the feeling that I've been left out in the cold and I'm feeling stuck. They feel they have bad luck about whatever happened and why these things have kind of ended. if they had any third parties or anything else like that, they don't want to work on that anymore. They are charging, and coming towards their Queen of Pentacles. At least that's what they want to do. So what do they want to come for, Spirit? Anything else? What do they want to say? What do they want to say here? Yes. They're heartbroken, they're sorry that they broke your heart, and they're coming in to offer commitment. First and the last card are the same. Okay, so yes, this King of Swords has kind of finally realized that they have to open up their emotions if they want to get their Queen of Pentacles back. And they seem to be in a rush and coming back. So expect some kind of message, a phone call, text, a communication. What they really want to do is charge straight into your arms, I think. All right. So Cancer, this could be you. This could be your cross-watcher. I don't know. But that's the story I've got today. And we'll do your in-depth reading soon on Wednesday now. Till then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.